to create a community on Messenger. So if you want to create a community in Messenger, then first you need to open up your Messenger application. Once you open up your Messenger, you need to go with the pencil shaped icon, which is on the upper right, and tap on community and go with get started and choose what's your community about. So I'll be choosing hobbies and interests and name your community. For example, I'll be choosing demo and then community intro and require approval to join. You can simply turn it on if you want others to require approval to join, and then go with preview, which is on the upper right, and go with create community, and that's it. The community has been created, and now you can simply send the invite to your founding members. Choose the members and then go with send, which is on the upper right, and that's it. That's how you can create a community on Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.